Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anasuya Roy. I'm the founder and CEO of Nanosafe Solutions. I did my master's and PhD from IIT Delhi. I was also a DART scholar, in which I spent the second year of my master's thesis at Germany. Coming back after completion of my master's and PhD, I was looking for entrepreneurship options in India, and there are a lot of schemes and a lot of grants that you can get for starting your entrepreneurship in India, and these are provided by Government of India funds. Some of them are listed in the DST and DBT website. A repository of all such information about science, technology, innovation, and anything under that umbrella can be found in this portal called ISTI, which is India Science, Technology and Innovation. So this is really a very good portal in which a lot of stakeholders in this area are present, and a lot of information is being updated regularly. So guys, please do visit this website and do look out for schemes and opportunities that you can find here. All the very best for your careers.